Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is day 2 of my 30-day, one video a day. Sorry about that, I'm not gonna edit. This is supposed to be raw. Can't believe how much times I've edited, but enough is enough. Um, as far as for editing, right? Not getting it right. It's not gonna be perfect the first time. This is just my second day making a video online. And not online, but making my second video. So forgive me as I go through all these blunders, and it's not going to be perfect, but hopefully that you can get a good laugh off of my blunders. Maybe it'll entertain you, maybe you'll learn from it. And that's my hope, right? That you come along with me day by day as I put out these videos, right? And become a YouTuber. Yeah, there's another mistake. I'm not going to edit it. Oh my gosh, I do want to. It's the perfectionist in me that do want to. I do really want to make this perfect, but I can't. Because I want to show you my authenticity of this day 2 only. Day 2 of getting on video for the second day. I still got 28 days more to go, right? But I want to have you come along with me to show you, you just got to get started. Right? You don't have to be perfect. I'm kind of a perfectionist. That's what got me to delay or procrastinate, right? Procrastination is almost like fear, right? What are people going to say? What if you mess up? What if you say the wrong things? It'll come, perfection will come as you practice, right? And so hopefully you'll learn from that, just as I. So yesterday when I did day 1 video, I just hit that button. I gotta do this. I have to go ahead and just press that button, the record button, and overcome my fear, my procrastination, and just get it done. So I'm on day 2 now, which is an accomplishment, right? After yesterday, to tell you how motivated I felt, how relieved I felt, or how like a fear or that wall somewhat came down, right? After I broke through that procrastination, that day 1, that fear of being on video, right? I went out and went to Walmart. Hopefully, I'm not supposed to say Walmart or not, or whatever. I'm not sponsored, but I'm just telling you what I did, right? I went to pick up a tripod, which you can see now. If you look at my video yesterday, I had my phone in my hand. Right? I had it in my hand, shaky. I was moving around, shaking around in my chair and so forth, and really distracting. But if you can see now, just by making these small improvements, and that's what I hope you'll see and learn, and as I learn too as well, to make these videos a lot better, to make myself or to gain the skills that I need to become better in videos, making as a creator content, right? As a YouTuber, whatever you want to call it, as a content creator, right? The ultimate goal as a learner, and then especially someone at my age, 50 plus, who has never done this before, right? Who had a stable career in something totally different, that wanted to break out of that rat race, of that toxic environment, and really I've come to the point to where I want to do my own, right? I want to become my own success and not have to answer to anyone, and just be my own boss and create my own success, my own goals, which I'll cover later, as well. But that is what I hope that I'll help you with this, right? As you come along and join me, through this day by day journey, up into 30 days, and hopefully even beyond that, you'll stay with me, right? You'll stick with me and you'll see, and hopefully every day you'll inspire, because you'll see the progress that I've been making every day. And like what I'm saying, practice makes perfect, right? Perfection for me is procrastination, right? I'll tell you this, before I made this video right now, which I'm not going to edit if I make a mistake, I did about 10 videos, 10 shots, and I made mistakes and blunders, but that's the point of it, right? That's the whole point of it. Just freaking make your mistakes. Just get over it and get it done with, because I have to know, for me, that each day I upload a video. That's the goal, right? That's the goal of this challenge. That's why I call it a challenge, to challenge myself to upload 30 days, with the hopes that of each day that I upload, that I gain the skill, that I gain the confidence, that my communication becomes better, right? Because I'll get rid of the nervousness, I'll be able to speak clearer. As you can tell, I'm probably mumbling and jumbling and so forth because I'm not skilled yet at it, but I'm going to get there. I'm going to get there, but day by day. So be encouraged. If you have not hit that record button, if you have not overcome your fear, I encourage you to just do it. Look at my video yesterday. It's in my playlist, whatever you want to call it, of the 50-year-old plus challenge, starting as a YouTuber. If anything, I'll try and link it down in my description, my channel description, so for easier view for you as well. So yeah, go ahead and get it started, because if you don't, I realized yesterday, if I didn't push that button, just time goes by. I'll get older. Anyone, if you're younger, you will get older, and next you know, a year or 2 or 3 or 4, you have not done anything. You probably gave up. But I'm going to commit to this, right? I'm going to commit to this journey of mine. I'm going to grow within YouTube, and hopefully you grow along with me too as well. So back to my story. Sorry for rambling. So after I pushed the button yesterday and I uploaded that video, I was so motivated. And I took myself to, like I said, Walmart. I was going to order on Amazon, but I just didn't want to wait. I was just motivated. I just picked up a tripod, which you'll probably see somewhere. I'll edit it in, just a picture. It's a simple tripod, a tabletop tripod, which it can extend but it's so much made. It's making such a big difference in the video. And hopefully you can see that, because yesterday's video, as I said, it was shaking. It was moving around. It went up and down and side to side. It's trying to stay focused on, on me. But if you can see now, just with the simple tweak with the simple tweak of just a tripod, right? Something I spent less than, well, 20 bucks, right? I was looking at something that was cheaper than 20 bucks. But I decided on this one because it has a little light on it as well. I'm not sure how much that matters. I tried the light on, but that little light that comes with, supposedly for selfies and stuff, it's not that bright. But I'm just going to go with it, right? I'm going to go with it. So hopefully you can see that you're not going to be spending, or you shouldn't be spending too much, right? Just to get started. If you can't get the 20 bucks or so, hey, I understand. Go ahead and actually just continue with your phone. Continue just recording with your phone. The biggest part I have to tell you again, which I learned from yesterday, is to overcome that fear, right? If you want to get something done, if you want to get your YouTube channel done, press that record button, get on there, make a mistake, make your mistakes, go ahead and actually blunder and don't edit anything, and just come on and just tell who you are and what your purpose of the video is, and just encourage people to just come along, right? And upload it. Don't worry about editing. You probably don't have anything, if you haven't started yet, any editing software, or I don't know, Canva or whatever, right? Whatever you want to do to make videos, right? It's like what the professionals that they do. So just go ahead and hit that record button, and just get it done. Just get it done. So today's video is just that. Man, I got off track. I'm going to look at my notes. I did make notes. I'm trying to get better. That one was good. Oh, yeah, we talked about the tripods, right? The benefits of the tripod. You can see that. The minimal cost that it would cost you, or maybe if anything, if you don't want to spend that, you want to go out get, just maybe stack some books or stack some boxes and put your phone on top of the box. And if you have a kickstand in the back, make sure you just open it up, make sure it just stands there, and you can just go ahead and go with your video. So sorry for the rambling, but hey, I'm not gonna make an excuse again. Hopefully hopefully you're enjoying it. That's the biggest part, that I don't want my content to be boring. I don't want it to be so, oh, look at this guy. But I want it to be educational too, right? And hopefully today's video and the next one, again, I know I'm being repetitive, will be just that for you as well. So tomorrow's video, I'm probably going to add a microphone. Right now you can see I have no microphone, nothing. They talk about getting the lapel microphone. But I'm going to do that because I know just hearing other people's videos and stuff that are doing this, it sounds better, right? I want to provide the best quality for you. I don't want to just continually doing this because I want you to see the growth stages as well in it. So as the videos, as the days go by, sorry about that, as the days go by, hopefully you'll see improvements as far as for editing, as far as for quality, as far as for production, everything, right? Everything to just get better within this 30 days. I know I'm not going to be a professional in 30 days, but between yesterday and day 30, my hope is that I transformed so tremendously and gained the skills that I needed or I need to become good at this, at least enough to continue on and continually grow, right? And continually to grow. So another thing, you'll see better script. You'll see more focused content, right? Like right now, I'm all over the place. I do have a little bit of notes in front of me, but I just wanted to be raw, show you my authenticity, right? And that's the part to where it's just from the heart, right? I just want you to see that you can do it. That you can do it. If I am doing this really for real, if I'm actually had hit that start button, the record button, and I'm doing it, I'm on day 2, and I'm actually looking forward to day 3 and all the other days that come along. You can do it too. You can do it. Do it for yourself. Do it for your family. For whatever your why is, just do it, right? I'm finding out, like what I said in yesterday's video, that time is your most precious asset or commodity. You can't get it back. So make use of your time by hitting that button. I know I'm being repetitive, but I'm trying to encourage you. And that's part of the hope of this channel, is to provide you that encouragement, right? To provide you that encouragement, that hope, that if Cliff can do it, you can do it too, for sure, certainly. I'm standing by you. I'm encouraging you. You got this. You got this as well. So I look forward to tomorrow's video. I hope you join me again. If this is your second day, join me for the third day and the fourth. And if you've just come along and found this video by chance and YouTube gave it to you, and this is something that you're looking for, welcome on board. Come on, come stay with me. And you comment if you've actually started, or if you're about ready to start. I'd love to see your comments. I'd love to see if you've started your video or where you're at in your journey. Even if you've not started, put something in there. Say, Cliff, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. If you can do it, excuse me, blundering and all over the place, I can do it too, right? I can do it too. So y'all take care. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button or bell, whatever you call it, so you can get more content like this, so you can join me on this journey. All right, guys, I wish you all the best, and we'll see you the next time.